If you're 22 and broke, this is not your fault. But if you stay broke, that part is on you. And what I'm about to tell you might be the only wake-up call you need. Pause for a second and really think about your life right now. You wake up, grab your phone, scroll for a few minutes, which turns into hours. You tell yourself, just one more video, then suddenly, it's afternoon. No progress, no money made, no skills built, just another day gone. And it doesn't feel like a big deal until you realize you've been repeating the same day for weeks, for months, maybe even years. At 22, most people feel lost. No real money, no clear direction, no control over their life. And the scary part is, everyone around you looks like they have it figured out. Your friends are posting wins online. People your age are buying things, traveling, living the life. And you start thinking, what am I doing wrong? But here's the truth no one tells you. Most of those people are faking it. Debt, pressure, confusion. They're just better at hiding it. So if you feel behind, you're not alone. But that doesn't mean you should stay there. Because being broke at 22 is normal. But staying broke at 25, 30, 40, that's not normal anymore. That's a pattern. And patterns don't change unless you change them. Here's something deeper. The system you grew up in was never designed to make you financially free. You were taught how to pass exams, not how to make money. You were told to get good grades, not how to build income streams. You were trained to follow instructions, not to think independently. So what happens? You graduate or finish school and suddenly realize you don't know how money actually works. So you do what everyone else does. You try to find a job. You earn a little money. Then you spend it. Food, clothes, entertainment. Then you're broke again. So you repeat the cycle. Work, spend, repeat. Work, spend, repeat. And slowly, without even noticing, you become stuck. Now, let's break down the real reasons. You're still broke. Not surface-level excuses, but the actual truth. First, you don't track your money. Money comes in, money goes out, and you have no idea where it went. You check your balance, and it's just gone. No plan, no awareness. And here's the truth. If you don't control your money will control you. Second, you rely on motivation. You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. I'll be serious next week. This time I'll change. But tomorrow comes, and nothing changes. Because motivation is temporary. It comes and goes. But discipline is what actually changes your life. Third, you spend to feel better. You're bored, you buy food. You're stressed, you spend money. You're unhappy, you distract yourself. It feels good for a moment, but later, you're still broke. And now, you feel worse. That's the trap. Temporary relief. Permanent setback. Fourth, you don't have a valuable skill. And this is the biggest one. Because without a skill, your income is limited. You can't charge more. You can't earn more. You can't grow. You're stuck trading time for money. And there's only so much time in a day. Now here's the good part. Because everything you just heard can be fixed, not overnight, not magically, but permanently. Step 1. Control your money. Start tracking everything. Every coin, every expense. Because the moment you become aware, you take back control. You start seeing patterns. You start making better decisions. And slowly, your money stops disappearing. Step 2. Build one skill. Not 10, not 5. 1. Something that can actually make money. It could be video editing, graphic design, copywriting, coding. It doesn't matter what it is, as long as it pays. And here's the key. Focus on it until you get paid. Not until you feel good. Not until you're ready. Until you get paid. That's when it becomes real. Step 3. Cut useless spending. Before you buy anything, ask yourself one question. Do I need this? Or am I escaping? That one question will change your life. Because most of your spending is not about need. It's about emotion. And once you control that, you start saving without even trying. Step 4. Build discipline, not motivation. Discipline. Discipline is waking up when you don't feel like it. Working when you're tired. Saving when you want to spend. Showing up every single day, even when no one is watching. That's what separates people who stay broke from people who escape it. Now here's the mindset shift. You need to understand. You're not broke because of money. You're broke because of habits. Your daily actions are creating your current reality. So if you change your habits, your income will follow. It's not instant, but it's guaranteed. The problem is, most people won't do this because it's uncomfortable, because it's slow, because it requires discipline. And most people avoid all three. They want fast money, easy wins, quick success. But that's not how real life works. Real change is boring. It's repetitive. It's consistent. And that's why it works. Now, think about this. 3 years from now, you'll either be still broke, still confused, still scrolling, or disciplined, skilled, earning money, building your future. The difference is what you decide to do today. Not next week, not next month, today. Because every day you delay, you're choosing the same life. So if you're serious about escaping this, you already know what to do. Start now, and don't stop.